How to connect GoDaddy domain to Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Base44 account. So first, go ahead and open Base44 into your browser and then sign into your account. And then head over into the Apps tab and then go ahead and click on the project where you want to add that GoDaddy domain. So once you're inside the project, head over into the project dashboard. And then under the project dashboard, look for the domains tab and click on it. And then click on this add custom domain button under the custom domains tab. So make sure that you have upgraded your plan to builder or above to be able to add a custom domain to your Base44 account. Now, Base44 will provide the required DNS records. A record points your domain to Base44 hosting IP. CNAME record maps www to your Base44 app. And then after that, go ahead and open GoDaddy into another tab. And then in here, go ahead and log in to your account. And then once you have logged into your GoDaddy account, go ahead and head over into the My Products tab, head over into the domains, and then select Manage DNS. Add or edit your record. So a record, enter the IP address provided by Base44 and CNAME record, point www to your Base44 domain. Now save the changes, and then you need to verify the connection of your Base44 account to your GoDaddy account. So return to your Base44 dashboard and then click on Verify Domain, and DNS propagation may take up to 24 to 72 hours depending on GoDaddy. Now that is how you can basically connect GoDaddy domain to Base44. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.